Every second, a garbage truck full of textiles is either burned or buried in landfills. A resource that required enormous amounts of water, energy, labor, and time is discarded at a scale most consumers never see. Yet while this waste continues to grow, industries keep manufacturing new products from virgin materials, including the pet industry, which has quietly become dependent on resource-heavy production and replacement cycles. So we ask a simple question: why create more when so much already exists? We are the founders of Aristopets, a pet lifestyle brand based in India. At Aristopets, we intercept discarded textile and engineer it into high-performance pet products such as beds designed for quality. For most companies, waste is a cost. For us, it is a supply chain. Now, since our raw material is cheap and abundant, we dramatically reduce production costs, enabling us to deliver premium products at accessible prices while maintaining strong margins. We also thought about what happens after they're used. Instead of selling disposable beds and accessories, we operate on a membership model, creating an ecosystem where products evolve with pets through periodic refreshes and component replacements. By closing the loop, we extend product life cycles and reduce waste. Today's pet market is estimated to reach nearly $500 billion by 2034, but most brands still compete on the same factors: aesthetics, design, meager durability improvements, and increasingly higher prices. On one hand, we have cheap products which prioritize low prices but often compromise on quality. On the other, we have premium products which are significantly more expensive and are considered a luxury by most pet parents. Both segments follow fast retail cycles that encourage frequent replacement. Sustainability is presented as a feature and convenience remains minimal, forcing repeat purchases. This is a crowded space fighting over incremental improvements while the real needs remain underserved. We turn one of the world's largest waste streams into a cost advantage. By sourcing waste that actually costs industries to discard, we substantially lower costs while maintaining quality. This enables us to offer premium products at prices the day-to-day parent can actually afford. Moreover, our membership model ensures sustainability continues after purchase. Instead of driving repeated full replacements, we manage hygiene refreshes over time, extending product life. So low-cost materials make quality accessible. Membership ensures it lasts. Today's pet industry targets highly involved pet parents willing to spend consistently. The first tier of non-customers are owners who hold back from frequent purchases because products feel wasteful, short-lived, or overpriced for how quickly pets outgrow them. The second tier of non-customers are environmentally conscious people who actively avoid the category, unwilling to participate in systems that contribute to overconsumption. And finally, the third tier of non-customers are those who don't own pets because they see pet ownership as expensive, wasteful, and very high maintenance. For them, the burden of constant replacements outweigh the joy. We eliminated the replacement cycle and reliance on virgin textiles, reduced cost and waste, raised durability and accessibility, and created a membership-driven system. The real problem most pet owners face is not structural failure, it's hygiene decline. Over time, pets begin to retain odor, accumulate bacteria, and become difficult to clean thoroughly. Despite the core structure remaining intact, the entire bed is often discarded. But under our model, that cycle changes. The core remains while we manage hygiene through scheduled refreshes and sanitation. Instead of a trade-off between affordability and quality, our value curve rises on both. At the same time, we elevate sustainability and durability from secondary features to the main ones, and where the market shows no emphasis on prolonged surface, we introduce sustained engagement. We built our first prototype entirely by hand using only reclaimed textile waste. Every layer was stitched and assembled manually. Our focus wasn't aesthetics but proving that discarded fabric could be transformed into something durable and functional. Once successful, it validated two things for us: the materials worked and the model was feasible. We've also launched a website and an Instagram page to showcase the concept, document our progress, and begin building early awareness. Our concept has already received strong recognition. We secured first place at the Youth Business League, where top student ventures from all over the country were selected and evaluated. Aristopets isn't just a product line, it's a future we believe in. A future where what your pet sleeps on doesn't cost the planet, and pets become the reason we do better. We're not here to join the pet care industry, we're here to change how it loves back.